Hey guys, this is Teddy from NorthFire. Today we're cooking on the Inferno Infrared Grill, making meatball subs.
For this recipe you'll need salt and pepper, breadcrumbs, 1 egg, ground beef, marinara sauce, fresh parsley, garlic, provolone and parmesan cheese, and olive oil. To 1 pound of ground beef add 1 large beaten egg, 3/4 cups of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a pinch of salt and pepper, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Mix well and form into 1.5 inch balls. This recipe makes between 14 and 20 meatballs, approximately 7 to 10 meatballs per sub. In the deep food tray add 1.5 cups of marinara sauce and keep it on the bottom rack. To the drip tray add your meatballs and slide into the 3rd rack. Cooking for about 2.5 minutes. Toss your meatballs, rotating the balls at the back to the front and the front to the back. Cook for another minute. Add the meatballs to the food tray with the marinara sauce. Give it a little toss and place back into the 3rd rack for a few seconds just to bring everything together and to warm up the sauce. Add the meatballs to your sub bun. I like to hollow out the bun a little just to make sure the balls don't run away on you. And add as much sauce as you like. Top with the provolone cheese slices and slide everything back into the 4th rack long enough to melt the cheese for about 30 seconds. That's it. You've got yourself a fantastic meatball sub. As easy as that. Please follow our channel at NorthFire Ltd for more recipes, and check out northfire.com to learn more about the Inferno Infrared Grill.